In the vast, unending darkness of space, something ancient and colossal is stirring, a silent warning light in the night sky, signaling a transformation of unimaginable magnitude. Prepare for an extraordinary and cataclysmic cosmic event, one that could forever alter our understanding of the universe. At the heart of this celestial mystery is Betelgeuse, the colossal red giant star that resides on the outer edge of our galaxy. For years it has burned with a mysterious glow, but now it has begun emitting signals so strange, so disturbing, that astronomers across the globe are holding their breath. Through the piercing eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have detected a startling shift in Betelgeuse's behavior. What was once a majestic and stable red supergiant now pulses with turbulence, signs that it may be nearing the final moments of its stellar life. Astrophysicist Dr. Brian has sounded the alarm, urging us to pay attention. Could we be standing at the threshold of witnessing one of the most powerful and rare events in the cosmos? Are we about to see Betelgeuse explode into a supernova, unleashing an eruption of light and energy so intense that it would briefly outshine every star in the sky, even visible during the day? To understand the gravity of what's unfolding, we must first know this star. Betelgeuse, located in the iconic constellation of Orion, is not just any star. It is a red supergiant, massive, ancient, and nearing the twilight of its life. It has long captured the imagination of astronomers and stargazers alike, glowing with a reddish tint that flickers with subtle, shifting brightness. But recent data reveals something extraordinary. This titan of a star has entered a volatile phase. At 764 times the size of our Sun, Betelgeuse is a stellar behemoth. If placed in the center of our solar system, its surface would engulf not just Mercury and Venus, but also Earth and Mars. Its vastness alone makes it one of the most prominent celestial bodies we can observe. But its current stage in life is what truly intrigues scientists. Betelgeuse has reached the red supergiant phase, a late stage in the life of massive stars. After spending millions of years fusing hydrogen into helium, it is now burning through its heavier elements, inching closer to a dramatic finale. Though it's only around 8 to 8.5 million years old, a blink in cosmic terms, stars like Betelgeuse live fast and die young. While smaller stars like our Sun can live for billions of years, red supergiants like Betelgeuse are destined for a short, explosive existence. Betelgeuse has already gone through a dramatic transformation. Once a hot, blue giant, it has expanded and cooled, becoming the red supergiant we see today. Its surface temperature, roughly 3,500 Kelvin, is much cooler than the Sun's 5,500 Kelvin. This difference gives Betelgeuse its iconic red hue, a signal of the turbulent processes at work within its core. And it's not just its size or color that make it fascinating. Historical records going back over 2,000 years show that Betelgeuse hasn't always appeared red. Ancient Roman and Chinese texts described it as yellow, while Arabic astronomers in the 9th century noted its transition to red. These shifts in color offer critical insights into the star's evolution, indicating dramatic changes unfolding over millennia. Then there's its brightness, a trait as unpredictable as the cosmos itself. Betelgeuse is classified as a semi-regular variable star, meaning its brightness waxes and wanes in a rhythm that usually follows a 400-day cycle, with longer fluctuations spanning up to 5 years. But Betelgeuse is far from ordinary. It occasionally breaks this cycle, plunging into unexpected dimming events that leave astronomers puzzled. One such event, now known as the Great Dimming, captivated the world in late 2019. Suddenly and without warning, Betelgeuse began to lose brightness at an astonishing rate, 0.01 magnitudes per day. By February 2020, it had faded so significantly that amateur astronomers could see the change with their own eyes, even in light-polluted skies. Panic and curiosity surged. Had Betelgeuse begun the death march toward supernova? But here's the cosmic twist. When we look at stars like Betelgeuse, we're not seeing them in real time. The star lies about 725 light-years away, meaning the light we see tonight actually left the star 725 years ago. We are, quite literally, peering into the past. If Betelgeuse had already gone supernova, we wouldn't know until that ancient light finally reaches Earth. This phenomenon, known as light travel time, is one of the most humbling truths in astronomy. Every twinkle in the sky is a time capsule, a ghost of what was. This makes monitoring Betelgeuse a unique challenge. Scientists can't know for sure whether the star is already gone or still holding on. What we do know is that it's changing and fast. Teams from NASA, including those led by Andrea Dri at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, used the Hubble Space Telescope to zoom in on Betelgeuse during the Great Dimming. Their data revealed that the star had ejected a massive cloud of material from its outer layers at incredible speed, over 200,000 kilometers per hour. This ejected matter cooled and condensed into a dense dust cloud, partially blocking the star's light from our view. This event sparked debates across the astrophysics community. Was this just a dusty hiccup, or a final death rattle? Some scientists argue that this mass ejection is a prelude to a supernova. Others suggest that Betelgeuse, known for shedding material as it ages, may have simply cast off more dust than usual. Still, another theory proposes that internal changes in the star's photosphere, its visible surface, caused the dimming. But one thing is certain. Something monumental is happening within Betelgeuse. That ejected mass, estimated to be 400 billion times the size of a typical solar eruption, hints at processes on a scale we can scarcely imagine. And this may only be the beginning. The superheated plasma that surged outwards could be the harbinger of greater events to come. If Betelgeuse does explode, it will be a core collapse supernova, the violent death of a massive star that can no longer support its own weight. In one final moment, gravity wins, crushing the core and triggering a colossal explosion that will shine brighter than the full moon and be visible even during the day. Despite its proximity, Earth would remain safe. The blast would pose no direct threat to life on our planet. But what it would offer is far more valuable. A once-in-a-lifetime chance to study a nearby supernova in real time. Scientists would get front-row seats to witness the creation of heavy elements, the dynamics of stellar death, and perhaps even the birth of a neutron star or black hole. So the question remains, when will it happen? Some astronomers believe it could occur within decades. Others suggest we may have to wait tens of thousands of years. The truth is, we don't know. Betelgeuse holds its secrets close. But whether its end comes tomorrow or in a distant future, one fact remains. We are witnessing the final chapters of a cosmic giant. As we gaze up at the night sky, Betelgeuse continues to burn, flicker, and whisper to us across the ages. It is a reminder of how fleeting even the most powerful things in the universe can be. The death of a star is not an end, but a beginning. A supernova will scatter its ashes across space, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of new stars, planets, and perhaps life itself. The night sky may soon host the most spectacular light show in human history. Until then, we wait and we watch.